Hey y'all, welcome back to Alternative House channel. Today we are in Portugal. I'm visiting Oxana and she moved 1 year ago to Portugal and bought this land.
Hey, hello.
So how big is the land?
It's 4 acres, just 4 acres. It
Okay.
was a wild olive garden
Okay.
with a few olives.
Yeah.
They're here. I save it. And yeah, we built the small teeny house here.
Yeah, nice. So you are still in the process of building.
Yeah, that will be some jungle shower with
Yeah.
the eco material, with the wood and the canish. So
Nice.
it will be toilet, the sink, and the jungle shower. I planted a few banana palm there.
Oh, really?
So yeah, after that, it will be the huge jungle, the banana, I don't know, farm.
Nice.
Yeah.
And it's Portugal, you can do it. It's warm here.
Yeah, my neighbor, they have the same kind of bananas, and they every year have the flower, and they have a banana too.
Okay, nice. And you
Yeah.
have a van? Did you do van life before, or?
Yeah, we
Really?
on van life all this year,
Okay.
more than a year. Yeah,
When
we
you were
built.
looking for land, I guess.
No. I bought this land just online.
Oh, really? Wow.
I never saw it before. I
You-
didn't come to the deal. Yeah.
And you never visited this region?
This region, no.
Okay.
My first time in Portugal, before I bought this land, was when I go to Caminho de Santiago.
Yeah.
You know, the way from Porto to it was the coast way from Porto to Caminho de Compostela, and after that I decided to left my job. I took some sabbatical,
Yeah.
so now I'm not working. I bought the camper
Yeah.
and started searching the land. And I have a few friends in Figueira.
Yeah.
So when I found this land, I just called them. They come, call me by video,
Yeah.
and I say, okay.
I'm buying it.
Yeah.
Nice. And yesterday was crazy storm, so you have some damages.
Yeah, about my fins. It's a simple fins, but it was a more stronger before yesterday. Yesterday's storm was ruined it totally, so I tried to fix it somehow. Yeah. And this is material for the shower.
You're collecting it here somewhere locally.
Yeah, I cut it everywhere.
Yeah.
Where I see.
Yeah.
And and put it to this new building.
Yeah.
I collect the
Pallet wood.
Yeah, the pallets wood and some things from the beach, some wood what
Okay.
ocean gives us.
Yeah, driftwood.
So it will be now it's
Stuck.
yeah, a little bit stuck.
Yeah.
So it will be the shower, yeah, here.
Okay.
And the
The
roof,
shower pole. Yeah.
yeah, and the roof will be from the palm
Yeah.
list.
Yeah.
Yeah, something like this, or maybe some another.
Yeah.
So yeah, it will be the plastic, and after that the some palm list.
Oh, nice. I'm looking forward to see the result.
I have a lot of olives.
Yeah.
The previous year was a lot of olives,
Yeah.
but I didn't know what to do with it.
Yeah.
Someone told me to collect, and at the same time the house was coming.
Yeah.
So that's why I don't have any time to go
Right.
to some farm and do the oil
Yeah.
or marinate it. But
Yeah.
this year I will try. I will try, because it was a lot of olives. Now they start to do create the new list. This piece of wood, I think it will be some table after.
Okay.
It's
Yeah.
a cork wood.
Oh, right.
It's a popular
Portugal.
in Portugal. Yeah, I found it in a forest. So
Yeah.
after, should clean it, do something, and it will be
Yeah.
some nice table.
A lot of work.
A lot of work every time.
Yeah.
Yeah, and here is the banana palm too. So here will be a lot of banana too. But the month ago was very cold, and they they're broken, but
They're frozen, good bro.
yeah. But I hope they will.
But how cold it gets here at night?
The most bad weather was like a +4, something like this.
Okay, and it was too cold already.
Yeah, it was
okay.
very cold, and we have not snow, but the
Frost.
Yeah, the frost.
Yeah.
So it was enough for
Yeah.
them to be cold. Yeah. Have
Nice. And
come-
this is the house.
Yeah, this is my house.
And you build it as well using a lot of recycled materials?
No, I'm not build it. I order it from so the
Online?
Yes, online. It's company who sell the house in Portugal, and big truck, big huge truck, come here to this small street.
Okay.
And the guys from about the 3 days, they build this house.
Okay. So it was material and they built it. It's not like the delivery.
It was like a Lego, you know.
Okay.
It was the piece of wood, and they just and collect it. Yeah.
How you came up with the idea, like to buy a small land in Portugal?
The first idea was put here some tents, the few tents, and do some glamping.
Yeah.
But after I come in summer, I think like, okay, but like tent, the good tent, cost the same price like the small wood house. But wood house you can use the all year, and the tent, because the ocean, because it's wet weather, sometimes it can be like this. You see how it's raining.
Last 3 weeks.
So tent will be just for the short season, summer season, and not for the whole year. So I decide to take a house, and in autumn I just decide to, okay, I have one house. I want to spend summer here and try to do something on the garden.
And the idea just to live here or still to rent it out later?
I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know. I don't know, because a lot of things what should be done. So it's not ready for the people because need the toilet, and shower, because for me the cold shower it's okay, and you will see later the hot tube. For me it's okay. But for the rent, of course, not everyone ready to live somehow. And I have my compost toilet from the camper. So I'm not ready to give it.
Your camper is your toilet now?
No, I will show you my toilet.
Okay.
It's the Germany company, the Trobolo. I don't know, maybe you saw heard about them or not. I bought the simple compost toilet. The first, of course, it was in my camper. But when we moved to this teeny house, like, okay, what to do? I have a toilet from the camper, so it's when we go to travel someplace, I put the box there. It's a black box, and like every time, like, where is my black box? Or I put it here. So
and you say we because you travel with dog.
Every time everyone asks me like, we, it's who, and like, we decide, we vote, we go, and like, no, she decide nothing, only me.
And here is your bedroom. I like the bed. It's like you bought it new or it's recycled?
No, that's my friends from Ukraine. They have apartment and they have just an extra bed. The mattress from my camper. So I every time when we travel, I put the old stuff. Put it to the car and we travel. When we're here, I took all stuff, put to house, and we live here. And a lot of some things what I create like my handmade. Okay. Some plates, or I don't know, the potters for the flower. It's something what I.
You made by yourself?
I'll do it when I live in Riga. Every week go to the ceramic courses. Nice. So for this time I'll create a lot, and I'll all take it with me. Okay.
And here you have electricity and water all hooked
up. The previous owner was some Brazilian guy. He put the water for just for the entrance. And I'll do the compost tank, for the toilet, so it just will be connected, and the electrification. It's just on the entrance of the land, and I just use these big things, like 25 meters, and it's enough for me, to charge everything.
So what is this smoky place here?
It should be
It's a bathtub.
Yeah, but it should be so beautiful. I mean, with a fire, and now it's... Ooh.
Warm.
someone won. Yeah, sometimes it's super cool to just chill here. Yeah, and this is my bedroom. So
Bathroom,
yeah.
not bedroom. Bedroom was there.
Sometimes for the guest it can be bedroom too. So yeah, it's like some chill zone. I took the stones from the forest. Some of the neighbors, I just asked. I saw a lot of beds on
Yeah.
their garden, and I asked like, guys, you have some renovation or what? And they tell me, oh no, we use the bed for the potato.
Okay.
Like it's a good plant there.
Yeah.
Like if you would like, we can give you the one. And I took it. I painted from some special paint for the
Heat resistant.
fire. Yeah. For the oval. Yeah, I took the stones. This is from the garbage. Yeah, I painted, and there is some like it's not open. Sorry. Yeah,
Because of the rain now, everything is
candle. Yeah, and one day on the garbage too, I found the bed.
Yeah.
Really bad. So I painted and planted some vegetable
Okay.
on the bed, and I took the the floor of the bed and use it for the for the some wall. I have some future summer kitchen. You will see it. There is a compost. Sorry, it's for the wave.
Yeah. Wave is your dog.
Yeah, wave
Yeah.
my dog. It's future
Yeah.
summer kitchen. There is a toilet. Hello,
Okay.
Trobolo.
Yeah.
Yeah, so wherever you want, wherever you
Yeah.
wish, you can just take it and sit
Yeah.
everywhere.
Originally, I'm from Russia, and you decided to live.
Yeah, I born in Russia.
Yeah.
And when I was 28,
Yeah.
my job was open the office in Latvia, so I moved to Latvia
Okay.
too, work there. Yeah, now I just take some rest for myself. Yeah.
Why Portugal exactly?
I don't know. I just wanted to try to live on the hot countries.
Yeah.
And when I was when I went the Camino de Santiago, it was some inspire for me.
Yeah.
And I asked myself like, why not?
Yeah.
Like, why Portugal? Why not Portugal?
Yeah.
It was
Yeah.
something like
Great.
this. So.
Great. How much it cost? The land and house.
The land was 10,000 euro.
Wow. Yeah.
And the house with all materials for the foundation for all of this, I just the calculated, and it was around the 6.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah, that's not bad.
You have your own place, but next to the ocean.
Yeah, but electricity was very expensive. It was more than 2,000.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the septic tank, it was about the 600 or 70, yeah, maybe 600 euros, something like this. So yeah, that's why the cost was the more. So if it was the canalization here, it will be just a 20 euro
Okay.
to connect.
Yeah. Thanks for watching. Let us know would you move to Portugal, and see you in the next one. Cheers.